It's time.
Well, that's one way to end a logo.
What if there were no
She was a fairy.
airplanes?
Then I will launch my AumSum
Car
company.
Wow, AumSum. Firstly,
The Rocket Lobster.
who invented the airplane would
She was a fairy.
not be famous anymore.
Are you kidding me? No!
Secondly, with no air, trains and ships would be extremely popular for long-distance travel. Long-distance travel. Long-distance travel. People will rarely travel across countries.
Nope.
Tourism industry will not be lucrative anymore. Fourthly, airplanes, worldwide defense industry will look very different. Tanks might make a comeback. Fifthly, with no airplanes, humans will look to the sky.
She was a fairy.
One day. Also, with no airplanes, people might start watching their favorite places on TV instead of traveling far-off distances to visit them. On the flip side, with no airplanes, pollution levels will go down worldwide.
Nope.